Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain standard 7 lesson number 11 circle. Okay, now from nursery onwards we came to know about circle, we know about the circle, we identify the shape of the circle, correct? So now this year also we have to learn about the more information about the circle, but before that I want to explain about the previous knowledge that already you learn in standard 5th, 4th and 6th, correct? Apart from now, just pay attention here. Now see children, this is the circle, okay, and this is the center of the circle. Got it? This is our center of the circle, and I write here O. Now this center circle and this edge, this is circular edge of the circle. I join this center with that edge, so we call it is a R. R means radius. R means what? Radius. Okay. Afterward, same two edges connected through the center. Okay, two edges connected through the center. Okay, we call that diameter. D means diameter. Understand? Afterward, this is the chord of the circle. Two edges of the circle joined with the line, so that line is called chord. Okay, now see in this circle, radius is there, diameter is also there, and chord is also there. Okay, so afterwards we have to learn about the circumference. Now what is meant by circumference? Circumference means in your book, in your textbook, they giving the example about one bangle. Now see, this is the bangle, and this bangle we have to take the help of thread. One point from the edge of this circle, and we have to keep that thread through the round of this circle, circular part. So सेम दैट थ्रेड. ओके, जितना भी आपका मेजरमेंट ये पूरे सर्कल को कवर कर रहा है वो थ्रेड, वही थ्रेड आप स्केल पे रखोगे. ओके, व्हेन यू हैव टू कीप दैट थ्रेड ओके ऑन द स्केल, so that time whatever the measurement you will see, so that is means the circumference of that circle. Okay, that is means circumference of the circle, means this is edge, that this edge of the circle, it is called circumference. Understood children? Simple and easy. Okay, now when we have to solve these sums from this lesson, so that time some formulas are there. So first formula I am writing here, that is means R. When we have to find out the R, R means radius, so that time the formula is 2 when we have to find out the R means radius, so that time the formula is D upon 2. Okay, diameter upon 2. And the next, when we have to find out the diameter, okay, when we have to find out the diameter, so that time diameter is equal to 2r. Okay, diameter is equal to 2r. Okay, in 5th standard children you learn about these formulas. 5th standard, some questions I am repeating from the 5th standard. If radius is 5 meters, so find out the diameter. If the diameter is 12 centimeter, find out the radius. So that time already we learn this formula, and again same formulas we have to learn here. Okay, so these are most important formula, always remember these. Okay, now the next one, that is means the formula which is related to the circumference. Now how to find out the circumference? Before that, one again more information they given us related to the circumference and diameter, the ratio of the circumference and diameter. Okay, so C upon D is equal to pi. Okay, circumference upon D. Okay, C upon D is equal to pi. मतलब ये रेशो दिया है उन्होंने, तो ये रेशो के लिए ये पाई जो है ये ग्रीक सिंबल है जो इंडिकेट करता है पाई, और ये पाई जो है इसका वैल्यू होता है, अगर सपोज क्वेश्चन इन द क्वेश्चन not any value given about the pi, so the value of the pi is 22 upon 7. Sometimes they given the value of the pi, that is means 3.14. Understand? These are two values of the pi. Understood everyone? Now in practice set 42. Okay, complete the table below, and 4 questions are there. Apart from that, the first one, that is means they given radius. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find out diameter and we have to find out circumference. Now see, for diameter we having formula, and for circumference also we having the formula. Now I am telling about the formula of circumference. I have forget it. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or circumference is equal to pi d. These two formulas are most important to find out the circumference. Okay, now see, r is already given, so we have to use this formula, no issue. But we have to find out d also. Okay, so for d we use this formula. Okay, so first of all I am going to use formula of d. D is equal to 2r. Okay, now 2, not any sign is there means multiplication is there, means r is 7, so 2 sevens are 14. Okay, so d is 14 centimeter. Okay, now c, we have to find out c means circumference. So c is equal to, either you have to take 2 pi r or you have to take pi d. Okay, same. So now I am taking pi d. Pi means 22.7 is 22 upon 7 is there, and d already we know that 17 is there. So we have to write down, we have to put the values in the formula and write down like this. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Got it? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 22 twos are 44. So 44 is the circumference of this circle. Practice set 42. Okay, these questions from practice set 42. Understood everyone? Okay, see children, simple and easy formula is there and simple information. Sometime in the table they given diameter, so you have to find out radius and circumference. Sometime they given circumference and you have to find out radius and diameter. Question number 3rd and 4th, they given circumference, you have to find out radius and diameter. Okay, simple and easy children. For the next question I will make another video. If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.